Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm excited to show you a powerful, automated invoice generator built entirely within Microsoft Excel using a custom Excel add-in. If you are tired of manual data entry, copy-paste mistakes, or spending hours generating individual PDFs for your clients, this template turns Excel into a lean, automated invoicing workstation, transforming your manual billing process into a one-click solution handling client data, delivery specs, and instant batch PDF exports. Let's dive in. The system is built on simplicity, utilizing 3 core relational worksheets that cleanly separate client records, order delivery specs and granular line item transactions to eliminate data redundancy. 1. Customer data. This acts as your mini CRM. You store your client names, billing addresses, tax IDs and default payment terms here once. What makes this engine uniquely versatile is its ability to handle both B2B and B2C sales cycles simultaneously. For B2B clients, you can log company registration numbers and tax IDs. For your B2C retail customers, simply fill out their names and billing details. The underlying add-in engine automatically adjusts the final invoice layout based on whether a corporate registration and tax ID is present, ensuring your B2B invoices look strictly professional and your B2C invoices stay clean and uncluttered. Plus, the output template is customizable to your brand. You can easily insert your own company logo, company contact details, and custom payment instructions so every generated document matches your professional brand identity. 2. Invoice details. This sheet captures the top-level information for each invoice, including invoice numbers, dates, client PO reference, due dates and crucially, your delivery details like shipping methods and tracking info. Finally, the transactional data. This is where the line items live, product codes, quantities, descriptions, unit prices and discount link directly to your invoice numbers. Because it's regular Excel, you can easily copy-paste data here from other systems. We also support both percentage-based, for example, 10% and fixed amount $15. OO discounts, automatically calculating totals on the fly. Now, what happens if there's a typo in your raw data? To protect you from sending bad numbers to clients, the add-in features some built-in data validation error checks. For instance, if a non-numeric text character is accidentally typed into a unit price field, the system detects this during processing. It will complete the run and explicitly notify you at the end that the corrupted line item was omitted, giving you an immediate error report to fix before finalizing. At the top of the screen, you'll see our custom Excel ribbon. This is where the automation happens with zero manual copying. We have 4 primary actions. 1. Clear invoice. Clicking it wipes the active canvas clean before a new run, resetting the templates without breaking any formulas. 2. Generate single invoice. Enter an invoice number and click. Instantly, the add-in pulls from all 3 sheets, formats a print-ready invoice, and automatically saves a crisp, neatly named PDF straight to a dedicated folder on your desktop. 3. Generate multiple invoices. What if you have 20 invoices to send at the end of the month? Click Generate Multiple Invoices. The add-in batch processes your selected range, loops through every unique invoice number, and dumps perfectly named individual PDFs onto your desktop in seconds. A quick note on invoice numbering. This batch tool is ideal for standard sequential numbering. If you ever need custom, non-sequential invoice numbering, simply generate those invoices individually using the single PDF tool for maximum flexibility. 4. Invoice listing. Finally, click on Generate Invoice List to aggregate all your distributed invoice data back into a single invoice listing summary table. It's perfect for auditing total sales, tracking discount breakdowns, or uploading into your ERP accounting system. By combining the familiarity of Excel with the power of our Excelate custom add-in, this solution eliminates manual errors, slashes processing time from hours to seconds, and keeps your billing organized. Getting started is easy. There is a simple, one-time activation process to unlock the automated generator. When you purchase the template, you'll also get a step-by-step onboarding document to guide you through activation in under 2 minutes. Thank you for watching. Check the links below to get your copy, and let us know if you have any questions in the comments.